Let me fix my car up, then I'll take it. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad? I told you. Got something to take care of first, alright? Tell you about it later.
Second, huh? I still own it. Hey, you know this guy weighs shit? Supposed to be set on Yi. Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't right behind. Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat? Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away? Sound like he's in trouble and he is. 15K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away. This town's full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place. Yeah? Why? Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race. No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out? Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Tell him he's gonna take me down? What? Don't worry. He races me, and we scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces. Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where it went?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect of the cop.
Nas Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HQPD. He's the one that puts on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guys playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No. I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
Alright, Wayne, alright. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.